As a designer, it's a rare event and privilege to be asked to create a new Grand Bentley, a contemporary expression of our brand. But to move forward, you must be true to your heritage. Characters everything in the quest to find a clean, pure Bentley look that feels authentic. Customers also told us they wanted a driver's car, something powerful and elegant. So we combine classic Bentley shapes, details and proportions with a forward-looking design. When I gaze upon the car today, I'm struck by how it projects emotion. It's truly a work of art, made by individuals, for individuals. I am Dirk van Brakel, Director of Design and Concepts at Bentley.